I come to work, I want nothing but the best for this company. I want to see this company succeed. I want to see this company grow. My name is Jonathan Hasselberger, and I am a comfort advisor. I feel like I'm a part of a Ocean's 11 team, and if I don't carry my own weight, then I'm letting the whole team down. And I think really the team mentality here too is something that's awesome. And that transfers through to everybody. I've never worked at such a place where the majority of the people are extremely pleased to be here. That creates a fun work environment. I mean, we can all joke around with each other, we can all have a good time together, but yet when we need to crack down and get things done, we can get things done. It is an absolutely fulfilling place to work. Like nothing I've ever had before. I never would have in a million years thought I'd be working here or doing this kind of work. But I landed it and it has been unbelievable ever since, and I am not looking back. We definitely do things differently. We're constantly growing. We have a diverse culture here, a whole diversity of people that work here. And it's great because I get to meet all these guys and I get to hear their life stories, and there's tons of guys here that I've learned so much from in just the short time that I've been here. I never realized that people could go to work every day and be as happy as they are at this place. To have that kind of job satisfaction, there's really not a whole lot of stress that comes with it either. And to work with somebody who started the company, who has put his heart and soul into this place to build it into what it is, just makes me want to keep it going.